Hello and welcome to the product webinar of Safetica NXT. My name is Marek Halesh and I'm SaaS Growth Manager in Safetica. And what is ahead of us in this session? The webinar is divided in three main areas. First, we are going to take a look on Safetica NXT introduction. In the next part, we are going to see product highlights and product demo. And the final part is word from our dear partners. This is the agenda and let's get started with Safetica NXT introduction. Safetica NXT is SaaS Insider Threat Prevention Solution. So this means that it is fast and easy to use. Safetica NXT includes discovery scenarios with maximum automation. It is cloud native with multi-tenant architecture. Safetica NXT is based on subscription billing model and it is MSP ready. This is the ideal company profile for Safetica NXT. Ideal number of employees is from 30 to 100, but it can be higher or lower number of employees. It is ideal for companies with no dedicated hardware infrastructure or IT team because the product deployment is fast and effortless. Now it's time to talk about benefits of Safetica NXT. Safetica NXT is focusing on control over valuable assets with discovery and audit. Full perimeter security coverage is also included in the Safetica NXT, and from start it is multi-platform, both on Windows and macOS. One of the main benefits is rapid time to value and flexible billing with pay-as-you-go. Safetica NXT has also unique time-saving approach with holistic risk classification and learning capabilities. As I said, the biggest benefit of Safetica NXT is short time to value. This means rapid implementation on endpoints and assessing data since day one. The implementation is made out of 3 steps. In the first one, customer's environment is automatically deployed in cloud and that is matter of minutes, so in the really short time. After that, you are able to install Safetica application on endpoints remotely, and then you are ready to audit your data and alert incidents with Safetica NXT. Safetica NXT has mature architecture with security first approach and high temper protection on endpoints. And of course, it is meeting regulatory compliance such as GDPR, HIPAA, and others. Now let's go through the product highlights. As I said, Safetica NXT is cloud-based product. For the Safetica NXT, we are using Microsoft Azure, where the data are stored, and we and our customers are connecting to this environment remotely. Now we will go through the product demo of Safetica NXT. So for this demo, we have these demo customers which is working in the manufacturing field. So this customer is working a lot with the CAD data, with drawings, with bill of materials, and other manufacturing documents. So let's see how Safetica NXT can help protect his data. On the dashboard, you can see the statistic of enrolled endpoints, protected users, and so on. You can also see the graph with events in time, with total events per day. In the data security tab, under the sensitive data, we can see data category, and we can see that we have pre-built 2 data categories for this customer, and these are data of employees, such as date of birth, birth numbers, addresses, telephone numbers, and others. and customer payment info, which are bank numbers, what IDs, and others. We can edit these categories, and we can of course delete these categories. But we will add one for this customer. As I said, this customer is working in manufacturing, so we can add manufacturing data category. So we can call it like we want, for this example, manufacturing. And description would be manufacturing data. So, and we will add data definition. You can add built-in algorithm, keyword, or regular expression. And for this example, we will add keywords, and we are focusing on manufacturing data. So this will be CAD. This will be BOM. This will be drawings and others. So this will be, again, we can say this will be manufacturing and save. And again, save. And we can see we added one data category for this customer. In detection rules, we can see we have two pre-built detection rules, both on high level risk. One of them is payment info, and one of them are HR data. Again, we can edit this rule or delete, but we will add one or two rules to see how it will work for this customer. So first we can add CAD data, general one. We will know that we are focusing on files, CAD files. We don't want to be shared via or uploaded on Google Drive. And in advanced setting, the source is local path. We can select risk level, and for this customer the CAD data will be always on high level risk, so we can keep it like it is and save. And you can see we add detection rule. We'll add another detection rule with data category which we already made. So this will be called manufacturing, and the data category, we can say it is unknown because it will be higher amount of PDFs, CAD files, so we don't know exactly what it is. Destination time, we don't want to be sent via email, for example. And we know that the data category is manufacturing, and source type is local path, so from the computer. And for this customer, it is manufacturing, so again, high level risk. We can also shuffle the priorities there. So for this customer, the manufacturing will be on priority 1, so we will change it just a drag and drop, and now we have manufacturing rule on priority 1, and the CAD data will be priority 2. You can easily turn them off via the slider, and again turn them on, so really easy and fast. In the workspace module, we can see USB drives, and these are result of smart scanning module. So we can say, or we can see that there is a Kingston data traveler And for example, we know that this USB drive is safe and it is used in the company as a safe device. So we can add it to the safe zone manually. On the other hand, we know that this SanDisk Extreme SSD is not company safe device. Maybe it's some personal device of employee. So we will remove from the safe zone. So we will be alert when it will be attached to the computer. In the users tab, we have a list of users with number of events and number of high level events. For example, here Susanna made 219 events, and from that there are 84 high level events. We can see uh, what she made, and here is the events in time again graph and the overview. We can expand each of the event and we can see the info, date, um, from it was copied or changed, what was the operation and others. We can also filter the high risk events, and we can see she made 84 operations, but it is combined in one event. So she moved something from local path to USB. And on the tab endpoints, we have a list of all endpoints. We can see their status, and we can, for example, update the version of Safetica application, or we can delete the endpoints from the Safetica NXT. So that's all from the demo, and let's head back to our presentation. Now we will go through the product plan. We are planning to enhance smart scanning with two new smart modules, IAM and Cloud. All modules will be exposed in the workspace section in the Safetica NXT. This will be done and deployed in the next weeks. The other thing on which we are working right now, and this will be also ready in the next weeks, is enhanced reporting. It will be contain info about users, trends, this means comparison with last week's, and it will be possible to export this report and download it. Restrictions, the big update for Safetica NXT. It is planned to have them implemented between January and February next year. And we are planning to add two additional remediation steps, justify and full restrict. This will make from Safetica NXT full DLP. Now we will move under the operations step, where we are working on more automatic account management with self-managed mode. In the next weeks, we are going to add enhanced endpoint management with mass operations, which was highly requested by our partners and customers. And finally, we will focus on boosting cloud performance, so Safetica NXT will be a lot faster and it will handle higher amount of endpoints. Now let's see what our dear partners say about Safetica NXT. This one testimonial is from Dennis from company The Backenders. We are working with Dennis on a several project right now, and he says that Safetica NXT is for him and his clients easy for managing and implementation. Thank you a lot for the feedback, Dennis. The next one is from Renan from company Avant, and it is really nice to hear that Safetica helps to raise the quality of service provided by his company. Thank you for the kind word, Renan. So, We saw that Safetica NXT is SaaS security product which will fill the gap on the market. It is really easy to use, deployment is effortless, and the whole process is really fast. Last but not the least, Safetica NXT has huge potential for partners and customers. So book your personalized demo now and let's find out how Safetica NXT can help you and your business. Thank you, and if you have any questions, you can contact me directly on the email which you can see here. Once again, thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.